Today we are going to break apart contractions to find the two words that make up the contraction. So we're going to start with the contraction can't. And we need to figure out which two words become can't. Well, I know can't is made up of can and not. Which two words make up the contraction wheel? Wheel is made up of we and will. Which two words make up would've? Would and have. Which two words make up there? They and are. Which two words make up won't? Ooh, that's a tricky one. Because usually our contractions start with exactly the same letters that the words start with. But on won't, it's a little bit different. Won't is actually will and not. It's. It is. Aren't. Are not. And you'll. You will. For your assignment today, you will read some sentences and you are going to come across contractions. It will be your job to break apart those contractions into two different words.